Happy New Year's Eve, folks. I'm News 18 meteorologist Cameron Hotman with another edition of Cam's Weather Vlog, your New Year's Eve edition of Cam's Weather Vlog. We have a winter weather advisory now for the southern half of the viewing area. That's Carroll, Fountain, Montgomery, Warren, Tippecanoe, Clinton, as well as Howard counties. All those areas are under a winter weather advisory from 1 p.m. to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And that goes into effect because the bulk of this snow that's headed our way will be making its way into the region by this afternoon. In fact, we have a cold front moving eastward as we speak, and that's going to be bringing the snow to our region. In fact, we're already looking at some light snowfall across the western and northern part of the viewing area. Some light flurries beginning to fall across Benton, Newton, Jasper, even some wintry mix as well. This is as of 9 a.m. This is going to continue to drag further to the east throughout the morning into the afternoon, eventually producing anywhere between 1 to 2 inches for the southern half of the viewing area. Now, we are talking about a half an inch for the far northern part of our viewing area, your Pulaski, Fulton, Newton, Jasper counties, right around a half an inch. The further south you go, the more snowfall you're going to be seeing. Right around Lafayette, about an inch, inch and a half of snowfall, and then as you get towards Crawfordsville, southern Montgomery County, southern Fountain County, right around 2 inches of snowfall. On top of that, though, that winter weather advisory extends further to the south. If you're headed south towards Indianapolis for New Year's Eve this evening, you're going to want to be very, very careful on those roadways. We are talking about very slick and icy conditions as you head down later this afternoon and evening. Indianapolis is expected to get as much as 4 inches, maybe 5 inches of snowfall before tomorrow morning. So just a reminder, please be safe over the next 24 hours here. Like I mentioned, that snow is beginning to fall for the time being. Looks like throughout the morning, maybe a few isolated flurries. The more steady snowfall will arrive later in the afternoon as this cold front slowly drags across the region. Temperatures throughout the day will only be warming up to around the freezing mark, so not fluctuating a whole lot with the snow moving on in. It looks primarily dry by tomorrow morning, with the majority of that snowfall moving out by tomorrow morning, by New Year's Day. And in fact, what we're looking at for the next few days, the beginning of your 2013, are much, much cooler conditions filtering in following this cold front. We will be seeing the snow, we will be seeing the cloud cover, we will be seeing the temperatures dip down to around the mid-20s overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. However, we're not going to be seeing temperatures climb out of that mid-20 mark for at least the next few days. So 32 your high temperature later today. We dip down to 23 tonight before warming up to 25 tomorrow. We begin our day, our new year, with some cloud cover, and then high pressure will build in on the back end of that system of snow. That's going to help clear things out for the afternoon tomorrow. We're looking at mainly sunny skies by the afternoon with highs only around 25 degrees. Now, overnight, winds will be from the northwest, and that is going to plummet those temperatures. In fact, we're talking about single-digit temperatures for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. In fact, we're looking right around 8 degrees for your overnight low temperature Tuesday night into Wednesday for Lafayette. Wednesday, we warm up to around 24 degrees, mainly clear skies, overnight lows in the teens and the low 10s. Not exactly very warm out there, to say the least, overnight, Wednesday night into Thursday. Much of the same story Thursday night into Friday. Now, we do begin to see temperatures on the rise towards the weekend. Friday, we still stay cool, looking at dry conditions, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies both Thursday and Friday. We get up to 22 degrees only for Friday afternoon, and then a boost in temperatures. In fact, we're going to be about 10 degrees warmer for next Saturday, still looking at mainly cloudy skies. In fact, we're looking at cloud cover increasing throughout the day. That'll be ahead of another system of some light snow, maybe some light flurries falling next Sunday. High temperature that day right around 30 degrees. So we're not going to be seeing very warm conditions. We're not going to be seeing a nice, warm, mild start to 2013. In fact, we're looking at quite the opposite. Very, very chilly conditions headed our way. But the main story today continues to be that winter weather advisory for this afternoon, the evening hours, and into tomorrow morning. So just please, please be safe traveling for any of your plans later on this evening. Maybe allow a little more time for you to be headed to your destination and just drive safely and slowly over the next 24 hours. That's pretty much all I had today, folks. You can always follow us on Twitter at WeatherTeam18. Email me at Cameron.Hotman@WLFI.com. You can also contact Chad and Jesse as well at WeatherTeam18@WLFI.com. Now, I'm going to have another one of these tomorrow, but until then, have a very happy 2012, or rest of your 2012. A happy new year, and I will see you tomorrow. For now, Cameron Hotman, News 18 meteorologist, signing off.